Hi, I'm Susan, and today we're going to go over using the right-click menu in the designer. To access this menu, you will first right-click and it will pop up on your screen. At the top, you'll see there 4 different cursors available. The first one is the pointer cursor, which is great for designers who need to select, move, or manipulate objects for any reason. The second one is the text cursor. This is specifically used for text boxes. It is helpful if you need to select in between letters in text on the page. The next cursor type is the hand tool. This one is great if you're zoomed in on the page. I select the hand tool, and now I can maneuver around the page to a more convenient location to where I'm working. The final cursor type is the multi-select tool, which will allow me to select more than one object at a time. To use it first, I'll click with my mouse and drag the gray box over anything I want to have selected. Then release your mouse, and anything that the gray box is touching will then be selected as one piece. This is great if I need to move the pieces all together. Another great tool in the right-click menu is the frame index. This feature is specifically designed for overlapping objects in the designer. For instance, I might want to place the picture of the basketball player behind the sitting student. I will select this photo, right-click, and select Frame Index. Then I can select Move Down to send the picture behind the other. You may also want to send objects to the background layer. There's a quick tool in the right-click menu to do so. First, select the object, then right-click with your mouse and choose Add to Background. Now, when you're working in the designer, that object will specifically be in the background layer. If you do need to select that object for any reason, you'll want to return to the background layer through the Layers tool. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial, and happy yearbook building.